Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss SUI, conduct regression analysis as well as SMA analysis and time weighted average price analysis for SUI, as well as compare SUI on its Bitcoin pair. None of the content is financial advice. Over the last 7 days or so, SUI has been up by about 3%. Over the last 24 hours, by about 5%. The market cap is above 15 billion. Volume is up at around 2.5 billion. In terms of tokenomics, has about 30% of the max supply is already released, 70% to be released, 3 billion circulating supply, max supply at around 10 billion. And the price is at around $5. And in terms of the SUI USD price, the 20-week simple moving average is at around $2, almost half of the current price at around $2.74. 21-week exponential moving average at around $3. So all in all, since the token launch up in about May of 2023, less than 2 years from today, uh, the price has been in an upswing, and from the bottom of about the first bottom at around October of 2023, the price, when the price was at less than 36 cents, the token did have a 10x from that point in time. And in terms of SUI Bitcoin pair as well, the token did have a double bottom, first low at around October 2023, and then the second low in July August of 2024. Although the USD valuation was higher, the Bitcoin valuation was lower because Bitcoin USD had done a much better price action than SUI USD. Right now, since August 2024, the token is up on its Bitcoin pair by about 500%. Again, reached its previous all-time high again during the during the launch week. Again, if you ignore the wicks and follow the candle, again the candles right now are of higher valuation than they were back in 2023 when the token was launched. You can see that per the Heikanashi candles, the candles are in an upswing again with very little to no under shadows, signaling any downside momentum. So the token is in an upswing. In terms of the our website and its utility in assigning what is a simple moving average based risk, right now it's at around 79%. Unfortunately, with heavy price fluctuation, again the 20-week simple moving average for uh, SUI is at around $2.74. In terms of some of the moderate price target per this simple moving average technique is at around price action between $5.23 and about $5.51. Again, we are very coming close to the end of the simple moving average based move. Again, the price action does not stay as elevated from the 20-week moving average as SUI has been since about, you can see SUI with respect to the 20-week moving average, the last time since about September of 2024, the price has been meaningfully above the 20-week moving average. Again, this has been the case again from October November 2023 till about March of 2024, and then the prices do eventually fall below the 20-week moving average, at least with one example from historical data. So per the regression based model, again this is the per the polynomial regression analysis, the regression based fair value is coming in at around $9. This is because the prices have been in upswing since about August of 2024, and per this model, again the risks have diminished a little to about 3%. The moderate target for SUI for this bull run between $12 and about moderate target range between $12 to about 14 and almost $15. That's between 0.5 and 0.8 risk, and the higher end of the target between $15 and about $18. That's how the model sees SUI to perform in this bull run. In terms of the time weighted average price, the prices have been too far gone from the time weighted average price, but this is the first bull run for SUI, so we do not know how long the prices would stay elevated. Again, this model is more geared towards the bear market or the accumulation phase related accumulation, whenever the prices eventually are meaningfully below the blue line, which is the time weighted average price line. That's when accumulation makes the most sense, and the risk scores go down again, close to rounded off to zero risk. As a composite of the three risks, or the three models for SUI, the estimated bull run is at around $11. Again, the weighted risk at around 44%, the current price at around $5. Just an estimation based on the risk reward approach. A conservative price estimate at around $11, representing more than 2x reward from here. In terms of some of the indicators which provide an insight to where we are in terms of the bull run completion, we are about 44% completed. Again, not too long we were 60% completed in early December of 2024, but the risks have fallen down from 60% to now at around 44%. Again, during the last bull run in May of 2021, the risks were 100%. Even though the Bitcoin peak and altcoin peak, most of the altcoin peaked in November of 2021, the risks were far too elevated in May of 2021. Now, looking at some of the other indicators, the social sentiment is at around 57%. Again, over the last 24 hours, there have been a lot of bullish news, a couple of bearish indicators related to Bitcoin ETF, 1 year into Bitcoin ETF. Also, the narratives are mostly related to Bitcoin and the bullish sentiment, but there are some bearish narratives as well. Altcoins by and large are not heavily discussed over the last 7 days or so, related to discussions on YouTube and X related to crypto. In terms of the performance of the major cryptos over the last 24 hours, I'll just refresh this. Some names are up, such as Phantom Algo, and SUI also is up by about 7%, whereas over the last 7 days, the trend has been down. Most of the cryptos have a negative yield over the last 7 days, as well as over the last 30 days. Some cryptos up by about 90%. More than 90% to about 400% over the last 90 days. So with that, I would like to conclude the video with saying that SUI moderate target at around conservative target at around between $10 and $15. And hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.